Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Diabetes Cookbook is probably one of the most crucial tools for managing your diabetes effectively, offering a wide variety of delicious and healthy recipes tailored to your specific dietary needs. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the world of diabetes-friendly cooking, ensuring you can enjoy flavorful meals while maintaining optimal blood sugar levels. We will explore the key features to look for when choosing a cookbook, helping you make an informed decision and empowering you to take control of your health through delicious, nutritious food. Number 5. ATK'S Complete Diabetes Cookbook. Do you have diabetes and miss your favorite foods? This cookbook helps you enjoy delicious meals while managing your health. It's all about finding the balance. Learn how to create satisfying meals that fit your dietary needs. It's packed with easy-to-follow recipes that won't compromise on taste. Get ready to enjoy meals you love. Discover smart substitutions and portion control techniques. It makes healthy eating manageable and enjoyable. This cookbook empowers you to adapt your favorite recipes. Enjoy delicious meals without sacrificing your health goals. It's part of America's Test Kitchen's trusted cookbook series. You can trust the recipes are tested and reliable. What we like. It features a wide variety of healthy recipes from the well-known ATK cookbook series. If you enjoy trying new recipes and want to maintain a healthy diet while managing diabetes, this cookbook is perfect for you. Its comprehensive approach and trusted source make it a valuable resource for your diabetes management journey. What people say. Nice variety of recipes. Really understands the complexities of eating with diabetes or other insulin-related illnesses. Before I purchased this cookbook, I did a fair amount of reading and research to find a good cookbook for someone with diabetes. It has a lot of great examples of meal plans, why each recipe is good for you as well. Every recipe I've tried has been a hit and absolutely delicious. The authors have really worked hard to create flavorful recipes that are low in fat, salt, and overall calories. There are some great options for breakfast here. I enjoyed the fattish salad and several chicken dishes. Number 4. Diabetic Cookbook and Meal Plan. Congratulations on taking this important step. This guide will help you navigate the changes needed to manage your type 2 diabetes. Let's demystify type 2 diabetes. We'll explain the basics and how it affects your body. This week focuses on establishing healthy eating habits and understanding portion control. Simple recipes will get you started. It's time to explore new flavors and textures. We'll introduce you to delicious and diabetes-friendly recipes. Learn time-saving techniques for preparing healthy meals throughout the week. Consistency is key. This week focuses on long-term strategies for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. You've got this. This cookbook provides a variety of delicious and easy-to-follow recipes, designed to help you manage your diabetes effectively. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. We're here to support you every step of the way. What we like. This cookbook provides a structured 4-week plan, making it ideal for those newly diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. If you're feeling overwhelmed and need a clear starting point, this is the one for you. Its step-by-step approach simplifies the transition to a diabetes-friendly diet. What people say. The information this writer provides is spot on in agreement with everything I have learned thus far. I am so appreciative of her easy-to-read explanations and instructions for getting control of one's A1C, etc. Also, the explanation of what constitutes prediabetes and non-diabetes was helpful and straightforward. But the greatest value in this book comes from its easy-to-use meals. You'll get a glimpse by looking over the screenshots wherein links to, for example, egg bites makes preparing such entrees easier than using a hardbound cookbook. He loves to cook and is finding a lot of help in making foods that he enjoys eating without feeling deprived. I would recommend this book for anyone looking to eat healthier. It explains in easy-to-understand terms everything I need to know about taking control of my diet and making choices that are healthy and supportive. I love the 4-week meal plan. The shopping list is very helpful. The recipes are easy and sound very tasty. For me, the best part of this book is that the author looks at the whole picture. This book empowers me to make informed choices about the food I eat. Number 3. Mediterranean Diet Cookbook. This cookbook offers 101 delicious and healthy Mediterranean recipes. They're designed to be quick and easy, perfect for busy weeknights. It's packed with simple, flavorful recipes that are perfect for anyone looking to eat healthier. You'll find something to love, no matter your skill level. Each recipe is bursting with fresh ingredients and vibrant flavors. It's a delicious way to improve your diet and overall well-being. These recipes are designed to be prepared in just 30 minutes or less. It's the perfect solution for busy individuals and families. The Mediterranean diet is known for its health benefits. This cookbook helps you incorporate it easily into your daily life for lasting health improvements. The instructions are clear and concise, making it easy to follow along, even for beginner cooks. You'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. What we like. It's filled with quick and flavorful Mediterranean recipes, perfect for busy individuals. If you value convenience and delicious food, this cookbook is a great choice. The focus on the Mediterranean diet offers a tasty and sustainable way to manage your health. What people say. Several of the recipes are standard favorites, but with a twist. For example, the beef sliders include chopped mushrooms for a juicy burger with added veggie benefits. The pasta for the pasta fagioli soup is cooked directly in the soup pot for a quick one-pot meal. The hummus is made with budget-friendly peanut butter rather than the more expensive tahini and contains just 5 ingredients. Another thing I like about this book are all the tips the authors give to make both the experienced cook and the beginning cook successful. For example, ingredient substitutions and alternatives are offered. Both quantities and approximate amounts of ingredients are given. For example, 2 garlic cloves, minced, about 1 teaspoon. Times, temperatures and size of preparation bowls and cooking pans are given throughout. You don't have to guess whether or not to cover a pan or skillet when you cook a recipe. Their recipes are appropriate or can be adapted for a variety of dietary needs such as vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, etc. Though most recipes will make 4 servings, it is easy to make more or less of several of the recipes. Many, such as the soups, will taste even better the next day. It is easy to swap out ingredients for many recipes. This is an easy, flavorful, fabulous cookbook. It includes an easy-to-understand overview of the Mediterranean diet and basic principles of the diet and lifestyle. It also provides a helpful list of foods and equipment to stock in your kitchen and pantry so that you can easily cook this way. There are 101 recipes for breakfast, snacks, soups and salads, main dishes and desserts. Each recipe is clear and easy to follow and true to the name of the book, taking 30 minutes or less to make. The roasted shrimp gnocchi bake was my standout favorite and I have cooked it many times. Number 2. Prediabetes Action Plan Cookbook. Prediabetes is a serious condition, but it's manageable. This guide provides simple steps to take control of your health. It's a step-by-step plan to help you understand prediabetes and make positive changes. It's designed to be easy to follow and integrate into your life. Learn about simple dietary changes that can make a big difference. It emphasizes easy-to-prepare, delicious meals. The cookbook is filled with tasty and healthy recipes. These recipes are designed to support your journey to better health. It's possible to reverse prediabetes through lifestyle changes. This plan will empower you to take control and improve your well-being. Take the first step towards a healthier you. This plan and cookbook provide the tools and support you need. What we like. This cookbook is specifically designed for those with prediabetes, offering a simple guide to making positive changes. If you're looking to reverse prediabetes, this is your go-to resource. Its straightforward approach and focus on prevention make it an excellent choice for proactive health management. What people say. The Prediabetes Action Plan and Cookbook by Cheryl Masato, MS, RD, LD, is an excellent resource, especially for individuals diagnosed with prediabetes. It is easy to read, well-organized, and easy to follow. The book provides a complete step-by-step guide to following through with a healthy lifestyle change, starting by explaining and helping individuals understand what diabetes is, to equipping them with information and resources to help themselves. There are lots of tips for the reader, such as on label reading, debunking myths, how to stop random eating, setting goals, and stocking cupboards. It also included an organized, helpful 2-week action plan that suggested foods to eat and discussed how to increase exercise. The recipes were a highlight and gave many practical application examples of how to prepare healthy foods. The Prediabetes Action Plan and Cookbook by Cheryl Masato, MS, RD, LD is an excellent book about understanding prediabetes and steps to reverse it. The author writes an easy-to-read and understand guide to healthy eating. She gives tips on what to stock in your pantry and what to throw out. She breaks down how your body uses foods and which foods you should choose or avoid. She also gives a 2-week meal plan which gives tips for weekly prep, with exercises and activities to incorporate. Finally, there are dozens of healthy recipes to implement your new way of eating. Number 1. Diabetes Cookbook for Beginners. Welcome to a world of delicious and healthy eating. This cookbook is your guide to managing type 2 diabetes through simple, tasty recipes. It's packed with 1,800 quick and easy recipes, perfect for busy weeknights. Say goodbye to complicated meal prep. Discover a wide array of flavors and cuisines. It caters to all tastes, ensuring you never get bored with your meals. We've included a 28-day meal plan to get you started. This will help you plan your meals and make healthy eating a breeze. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, it has something for you. Simple instructions make every recipe accessible. These recipes are designed to be cooked at home, using readily available ingredients. Enjoy restaurant-quality meals without the hassle. What we like? It boasts a massive collection of 1,800 quick and easy recipes, along with a 28-day meal plan. If you need a wide variety of options and a structured plan to follow, this cookbook is perfect. Its beginner-friendly approach and extensive recipe selection make it suitable for all experience levels. What people say. Its recipes are fairly easy and list of nutrients that apply to diabetics or anyone trying to eat better. So calories, fat, protein, carbs, fiber, sugar and sodium. This eliminates the guessing. It also provides prep and cook time and how many portions it makes. The recipes are simple and delicious. And with over 1,200 days of recipes, you'll surely find something you'll love. This cookbook is a very useful guide about diabetes. It explains how to deal with diabetes, the type of diabetes, type 1 or 2, and what kind of recipes you can cook to have an adequate lifestyle. It contains 1,200 recipes from meat to fish, vegetables, and much more. It will help you to alternate all the main nutrients and to cook a lot of tasty but healthy recipes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.